Yesterday or even today, when you stepped outside, went to a shop, or just walked on the road, you probably saw hundreds of the logos, but you didn't notice them consciously. They are everywhere, on shop, on products, and on your phone, and on ad as well. And the interesting part is you don't always read the name. You just recognize the visual, and that visual is the logo. By the way, I'm Prakash, founder of BrandRake, the premium brand studio, where we build identities which actually work. In this series, I will show you how to become a real logo designer. So let's keep it simple. A logo is a visual identity of a brand. It can be a symbol, a mark, or just a text, but it represents a business. Logo means identity. Now the real question is, why do companies even need a logo? Very simple. They want to be recognized, they want to be remembered, and they want to look trustworthy. Imagine two products, one with no identity and one with strong logo. Which one would you trust more? Exactly, let me show you something. You don't need to write the name, you already know. This is Nike. And same here, no name, still clear. That is the power of a logo. It helps people recognize you instantly. And the idea is not new. Even years ago, kings, army, and businesses, they used symbols to represent themselves. Why? So people could identify them. So at its core, a logo is just an identification. And that's where logo design becomes interesting. It's not just about making something look nice. It's about creating something that represents whole business in one simple mark. That's the job of a logo designer. But here's where most people get confused. Most people think this is branding, but it is not. This is just a logo. Let's try something. If I remove this logo, can you still recognize the brand? If yes, that's the branding. Logo is just one part of it. Brand is everything. The color, the style, and the feeling, and the experience. A logo doesn't build a brand. A brand gives meaning to a logo. Think of it like this. Logo is your face, brand is your personality. People see your face, but they remember how you made them feel. In this series, I will teach you how to design logos, but more importantly, how to think like a designer. In the next video, I will break down the type of logo and when to use each one. Follow this series if you're really serious about logo designing. If you really like this video, don't forget to like button and subscribe my channel to stay updated about the next video. Thank you. Bye.